when I became a photographer na, medyo nagkalat ako, nagkalat yung buhay ko.
Ako yun yung measure ng success, kaibigan sa kapamilya. Hindi yung material.
I felt the fear of death. And that fear of death, 4 times I felt that kind of fear na patay na ako. Tapos nakawala ako eh.
Pare, ano ba yung hindi nagbabago sa Ateneo? Hindi ko na makilala ang mga building. Uy, meron din palang hindi nagbabago.
Check it out. Ito yung wala sa atin, para check. Alright, classroom namin dati. High School 79.
May mga madali naming nakilala.
Ilagay pa ako. Hi! Hi! Ilagay pa ako.
Still here, huh?
Yeah, maybe my last year.
How are you? Looking good. Father Howie Severino.
Howie, yes. Hi. How are you?
See you.
Welcome home.
Thank you so much.
Hello. How are you? Good
Okay
to see
po.
you.
Sir, 25 years na kami. Silver Jubilarians this year.
You are 25 years.
Yeah, High School 79. And you are our principal for 2 of those years. That's a statue of Mrs. Chiki with a first-year student.
Crazy. That's the Blessed Mother. Crazy.
You haven't changed much. Huh? 4B kami, High School 79. Howie, si Jerry, si Mel.
Hi.
Jerry Aquino.
Still looking good. Huh? You still teach biology?
No, masenso na ako.
Computer.
Asenso ba yun?
Computer.
Just want to ask you a question. What's the main difference between students today and students noong 1970s?
70s,
1979.
they're wild.
Today.
70s, they're wild.
Wild. High School 79 kasi ako eh. Nung panahon namin, walang uniforme. Eh kung binigyan ka ng choice na wag nang mag-uniforme, mas gusto mo ba yun?
I'd rather have a uniform, less hassle. Pag sa umaga kung walang uniform, pipili pa ako ng susuotin.
Nung grade school naman, salasal. Ganda naman salasal eh.
Pero meron din pagkakapareho ang batch natin sa kanila. Tulad natin, dinadaanan din nila ang tulong-dunong o TD. 28 years na kasi ang TD. Ang programa natin sa high school ng pagtuturo sa mga mag-aaral sa public elementary schools. Ang iba sa kanila ay nabibigyan ng scholarship para makapag-aral sa pribadong high school. Ang tulong-dunong scholarship fund ang proyekto ngayon ng high school batch 79. Si Philip Javier ay dating TD scholar na naging TD teacher sa Ateneo High School.
Ano naman ang naging epekto sa pagkatao or personalidad ng mga estudyante na nagtuturo?
Yung mga estudyante natin naging mas mabait, naging mas alalahanin, mas bukas naman nangyayari sa lipunan.
They're called kuya by boys and girls. I think that means a lot for them. And then sometimes the TD teachers would come and tell me, you remember si ganito, referring to a student who's very rowdy and ano. And then sasabihin, in the TD class, he cares for them, he teaches and ganon. So parang we really even see sometimes that those rowdy people are the very ones themselves who do well and teach well and care for their pupils very, very well.
Family physician naman si Dr. Sho Marquez na dati ring TD scholar. Naging tutor o mga kuya niya sa TD sina Dong Segovia at Joe Hasaka.
And that is why this particular code is well preserved within the bounds of...
Ngayon, profesor din siya ng biology sa Ateneo College.
Sa amin mga bata, sabi ko nga sa'yo, nagkaroon kami ng confidence, nagkaroon kami ng parang naramdaman namin na meron palang sektor ng society na may pakialam.
Ang nag-umpisa ng tulong-dunong ay si Father James O'Brien, ang Irish-American Jesuit na nagturo ng matagal sa Ateneo de Manila at Ateneo de Naga. Sumakabilang buhay si Father O.B. noong 1994. May nauna kay O.B. bilang modelo ng isang man for others.
Natatandaan ko nung yung mga bata na inalagaan ko, pinasyal ko sila, tapos pinakain ko ng kaunting pansit at kaunting fried chicken. At doon sa sasakyan ko, dahilan sa bihira sila makakain ng ganung karami pala, hindi ko nalalaman yon. Sumuka sila lahat sa kotse. Sabi ko, naku, may sakit na ba kayo? Dadaling ko na sila sa ospital. Sabi, hindi ho, nabusugo kami masyado. Para sa akin, napakakunti nung kinain namin nung panahon na yun.
Yun lang yung mga tinutulungan natin mga bata. Yung kuya tayo, hindi makakalimutan yun
Nagtuturo ako ng mga medical students sa UConn. I guess yun yung seed. It started back sa Tulong Dunong.
Like there are terms like Lux in Domino, Men for Others, Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam. These are all Latin terms that sometimes we don't know how to apply them in our real life. No? So I think the lasting impression that Tulong Dunong gave me was that it gave me a chance to really actualize what these words meant.
It embeds in us the desire to help other people, and I think that's exactly what Ateneo is for.
Well, that was the time he dressed me down for not attending my chess game, and the reason being, he said, never let your team down, even though we were in a retreat that time, and I thought God was more important. Actually, it's not. It's about people, and God is with people. I guess that's the best thing about Father O.B.
People were afraid to speak up. Natatakot sila, martial law, and him being who he was, he said, look. You only have at the most 75 years of your life, in this earth, and make the most of it. Make an impact. And this is one way to do it through Tulong Dunong.
I hardly do any supervision. I just walk around for my own good. To see these nice young guys so filled with the devil and full of fun and kidding around and everything, but the minute they get off that bus and go into the school, whammo, here we have a young professional teacher. One of the students wrote me, and he said, one of the 4A class, he said, Father, I'm praying that you keep up Tulong Dunong, which is really God's work. I said, that's right, it's God's work.
We stand on a hill between the earth and sky. Now all is still when the youngest colors fly. Our course is run and the setting sun ends our turn.